So hello guys, we are welcome back with our first class of machine learning. So first we know about that what is machine learning, and then we'll go in other topics as in our syllabus. So machine learning is a growing technology which enables computers to learn automatically from past data. So we need a huge data, a huge collection of data. Otherwise हम लोग इसको यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए हमारे पास अब ह्यूज डेटा है, and that's why we are now using this kind of concept. In previous we don't have this kind of huge amount of data, so machine learning इतना popular नहीं था इसलिए. So machine learning uses various algorithms for building mathematical models and making prediction using historical data or information. Currently, it is being used for various tasks such as image recognition, speech recognition, email filtering, Facebook auto tagging, recommender system, and many more. So basically, I have done my research in image processing, so I know that how to use the machine learning things in image recognition or image patterns, and there are also other use in recommended system and other things. And also I will give you an example that how to detect the spam email or the non-spam email using the machine learning algorithms, and we will learn that thing later in my videos. So the machine learning tutorial gives you an introduction to machine learning along with the wide range of machine learning techniques such as supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. And another one is there is a semi-supervised learning. So now, what is machine learning? The definition. So, machine learning is said as a subset of artificial intelligence that is mainly concerned with the development of algorithms which allows a computer to learn from the data and the past experiences on their own. And the term machine learning was first introduced by Arthur Samuel in 1959. And he also said that, in summarize, he said also that the machine learning enables a machine to automatically learn from the data, improve performance from experiences, and predict things without being explicitly programmed. सो नाउ हम लोगों को जो दूसरा जो टर्म दो टर्म जो याद रखना पड़ेगा, वन है ट्रेनिंग डेटा एंड अदर इज द टेस्टिंग डेटा. सो जो डेटा हम यूज करेंगे एज इनपुट टू ट्रेन द मॉडल, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड माय ट्रेनिंग डेटा. एंड हम लोग जो डेटा को यूज करेंगे फॉर टू चेक आवर आउटपुट्स, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड आवर टेस्टिंग डेटा. And overall all the models is like a mathematical models. Okay, so algorithm a machine learning algorithm built a mathematical models that helps in making predictions addition without being explicitly programmed. So machine learning brings computer science and statistics together for creating predictive models that I said before. Like all the predicted models here are statistical models. Okay, so now the machine learning constructs or uses the algorithm that learns from historical data, what I said before. The more we will provide the information, the higher will be the performance. So a machine has the ability to learn if it can improve its performance by gaining more data. So it's a comic and the picture is not come here fully. I don't know why. Maybe when I convert my Word file to the PDF, it misses the robot picture. Sorry for that. And the human, he's telling that I can learn everything automatically from experience. Can you learn? So the robot is saying, yes, I also can learn from past data with the help of machine learning. So this is the voice modulation. So how it works, right? So taking the input past data, that's the historical data, right? So now we have to do the training, and this is the node where the machine learning algorithm is going on. So learn from the previous experiences and knowledges and data, and now building logical models, and you will get the output here. So that's the thing. And now we are going to the features of machine learning. So this works like that: you have to give a huge number of data. So more the data you will give to the model, and the accuracy will be enhanced. So it's also important to know that. So you need more and more data. In my research, I have done medical image processing, and there in first time to check the model I just use 50 images, but in the final time I have given 5,000 images to that model to level up the accuracy, and I ultimately get the 99.67% accuracy in my model. So the now come to the basic features of the machine learning. So machine learning uses the data to detect various patterns in a given dataset, and it can learn from past data and improves automatically. So it's a data-driven technology, and machine learning is much similar to data mining, as it's also deal with a huge amount of data. You know that in data mining we also need a huge number of data. Now, following are some key points which show the importance of machine learning. So, why we need the machine learning in our daily lifestyle? So, rapid increment in the production of data, and that's one point in Facebook, in YouTube. Yeah, we are just generating a huge number of data, a huge number of person uploading huge videos like me in YouTube, and that's a huge data, right? And all the data are stored in Google's data house, in data warehouse. So we can apply some big data theories in those huge datas, and we do the machine learning works. So rapid increment in the production of data, solving complex problems which are difficult for humans, it can be done in 1 second by this kind of robots, or what I can say, the models. So decision making in various sectors, including finance, in banking sectors, and finding hidden patterns and extracting useful information from the data. So the classification of the machine learning, this is mainly the four types, and this is very much important for our syllabus. तो इसको ध्यान दीजिए, जो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको एग्जाम में भी आएगा, इसका डेफिनेशन, इसका क्लासिफिकेशन और ऑल द थ्योरीज इन दिस मॉडल, इन दिस लर्निंग मॉडल्स, algorithms. And this four will be like one chapters. So there are four chapters, and next we will learn about the supervised learning, the classifications of supervised learnings, and different algorithms used in the supervised learning. So it's huge chapter, huge syllabus. So I will uploading a huge number of videos in YouTube. So press the bell icon to get the notification, and please subscribe to respect my hard working. Now next हम बोलेंगे जो, sorry to say but my Hindi is not so good. I'm trying my best to speak the Hindi, and most of the time I'm speaking English. So the importance of machine learning can be easily understood by its uses cases. Currently, machine learning is used in self-driving cars of Tesla. So Tesla is now doing the self-driving cars, and it's also uses the image processing. And later, I will make a playlist of image processing. I will, that I'm specialized in image processing, so it's my favorite subject also. So I will आपके लिए तो एक नया प्लेलिस्ट तो बनाएंगे हम इमेज प्रोसेसिंग में. So the self-driving cars and cyber fraud detection is very much important in nowadays. But in India में तो cyber crime बहुत ही बढ़ चुके हैं. In my Kolkata also. So and face recognition, that is also a important part, and friend suggestion by Facebook. Wow. एंड again another thing है जो कि है यूट्यूब में आप जो वीडियोस देखते हैं ना, उसका जो एल्गोरिदम है वो भी मशीन लर्निंग से ही आपको रिकमेंड किया जाता है. जो आप जिस तरह के थिंग्स आप पसंद करते हो और सर्च करते हो, दैट काइंड ऑफ videos are coming to you by different creators, because YouTube knows that you like that kind of videos. Okay, so machine learning model that use vast amount of data. Yeah, various top companies such as Netflix and Amazon have built machine learning models that are using a vast amount of data to analyze their user interest and recommended product accordingly. But I say you that again in Netflix or Amazon Prime Videos, that आपके जो वेब सीरीज है आपको पसंद है वही आपके सामने आते हैं, राइट? Like in Netflix, if you are watching Money Heist or Squid Games, hope you watch that. That's too good. And in Amazon videos, Sardar Udham Singh is there, so they are coming to your recommendation, right? Now, Yeah, so up to this I have made this ppt because from the next video we will go through the supervised learning, supervised learning and its classification. Supervised learning basically is two types: one is regression, another one is classification. And in regression we have different models like linear regression model, logistic regression model. Then in classification mode, sorry, we'll have different models like svm, support vector machine, random forest, decision trees, naive bias. So different algorithms are there, and I'll make short videos for your interest, and वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे. सो इस वीडियो को हम इस जगह में कंप्लीट कर रहा है because I'm not wish to make the video longer, and hope you guys enjoy this video and understand what the basic of machine learning and what is the basic diagram of the machine learning and the definition, and ये machine learning काम क्या करता है, how it works and what is machine learning. Hope you get understand. And another point is to be noted that machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Okay, and इस machine learning का ही और एक subset है deep learning. So artificial intelligence is the bigger one. Now inside artificial intelligence you have a subset that the machine learning, and inside machine learning you have another subset that's called the deep learning. So it's all about today. Hope you guys enjoys this video. Please comment down that how you like this video or not, and I will coming back with my next video in maybe very soon. So thank you guys. Please subscribe, support, and press the like button. Bye.